Today we're making elderflower syrup. This syrup is the one thing I make masses of every year. The reason? Because you can make this syrup to pretty much everything that we use elderflower. Add extra lemon juice for elderflower cordial, or we can mix it into cocktails, or we can make it into sorbet, ice lollies, cheesecakes. The list is endless, but it all starts with this syrup. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create your own batch of this delightful elderflower syrup. So to start with, let's gather some elderflower heads. Whilst we're picking, we're ensuring to remove any of the green leaves as possible. The fresh, vibrant blooms are what give us all of the flavour that we're after. So to make it, we'll start by popping the elderflower heads into a heatproof container. 15 to 20 heads should be plenty for what we're making here. And whilst we're doing this, we'll make sure to remove any extra green leaves we might have mixed earlier. Next, we'll squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the pot, adding a further 500 ml of water to the mix. The lemon is just here to help preserve the syrup for longer, and we'll add little lemon flavour. For this one, the syrup is all about elderflower. Now, we're going to add 700 grams of white sugar to this. We're stirring it gently to help start dissolving the sugar. It seems like a lot of sugar, but we are making a syrup here. Next, we're going to heat it up. So we're going to pour it into a pan, bring the mixture to a gentle boil and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. The flavours will all start to come together, creating a nice infusion of elderflower. Once the mixture's simmered, we strain it. So we'll strain the cordial to remove any solids, and the result is a beautifully fragrant elixir. Now it's time to bottle, and that's it. We pop it into any bottle you've got, store it in a cool place, and use it soon. We're ready to use it in any of our elderflower delights going forward. That's it, elderflower syrup. Super, super simple.